Now we will discuss meaning and types of trade. Children, trade means buying and selling of goods and services for a price. As we know that when a producer produces products, he doesn't produce those products for personal consumption, but he produces these products for getting it sold and to earn money, to get profit. So, it is the trade which helps the producer to produce more goods by removing hindrance of person. When the goods are sold with the help of trade, only then the producer will be able to produce more goods because he has limited space to keep his goods. That is, his warehouses may be limited, so he wants to get those goods sold which he had already produced in order to produce more goods. Now, who helps to get these goods sold? It is trade. The trade helps the producer in getting these goods sold and to further produce more products. Children, trade is classified under two heads, that is internal trade and external trade. Internal trade is the trade which takes place within the boundaries of the country. That is, it is the trade which takes place between the residents of the same country, like an Indian selling goods to the Indian. Now here the goods are going to Indian and money is coming from an Indian. So this trade will be internal trade or home trade, or we can say that it is domestic trade. International trade or external trade. External trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services between the residents of two different countries. That means when an Indian purchases products from a Japanese, it will be an external trade. It will be international trade because here the goods are going to Japanese and money is coming from Japanese to Indians. So here the money which is coming from Japanese is not only the income of the person, that Indian who is selling goods, but it is the income of the whole country because Japanese is giving his currency. Now that currency is the income of our country. Internal trade is divided into two categories, wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade refers to buying of goods in bulk from the manufacturer and selling them in large quantities to retailers or industrial user. Pure wholesalers never sell to the ultimate consumers. That means wholesale trade takes place when a trader purchases goods from the producer in bulk. What are the keywords? Purchases from producer in bulk and sell them to the retailers. Wholesale trade takes place when a trader purchases goods in bulk from the producer and sells them to the retailer. Retail trade refers to buying goods from the wholesaler or manufacturer and selling them in small quantities directly to the ultimate consumers. So the keywords for retail trade are purchasing goods in small lots from the wholesaler or the producer, selling directly to the ultimate consumer. So three keywords are there: purchases in small lots from the wholesaler or producer and selling to the ultimate consumer. So retailer is the trader who purchases goods from the producer or the wholesaler in small lots and sells to the ultimate consumer. Children, remember, whoever sells to the ultimate consumer is the retailer. You might have heard about few wholesalers who sell goods to the ultimate consumers. Those wholesalers are not the pure wholesalers, instead they are called wholesaler retailers because they are also performing the function of retailer, that is selling directly to the ultimate consumer. So retailers serve the link between wholesaler and final consumers. External trade. External trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services between the residents of two different countries. Suppose an Indian sells good to the Japanese, it will be external trade, or Japanese is selling goods to Indian, it will be external trade, because here the money as well as the goods are crossing the boundaries of the country. The money as well as the goods are moving from one country to another, not from one hand to another, but also from one country to another. External trade may be of three types: import trade, export trade, and intraport trade. Children, import trade means purchasing of goods and services from other countries. Like India purchases petroleum products from Iran, Iraq, or we can say OPEC countries. Export trade is selling of goods and services to another country. For example, India exports tea to USA, UK. And intraport trade means importing goods from one country for the purpose of exporting it to another country. That means here the country is not purchasing for personal consumption, but the country is acting as a middleman. The country is acting as a mediator between two different countries. The country may be acting as a wholesaler or the retailer between two different countries. So the country is purchasing product from one country, not for selling this good to the citizens of its own country, but for selling it to another country. Example, India purchases oil from OPEC and then sells it to Nepal. That means India purchases it from OPEC countries and selling it to Nepal. That means India here is not consuming the goods which it has purchased, but it is selling to another country. Thereby it is acting as a middleman or a market intermediary, like wholesaler or the retailer.